Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Introduction to SQL and Databases. This class introduces structured query language, SQL, and relational databases, which are fundamental for any data analyst working with large datasets. SQL is the standard language for interacting with databases, allowing analysts to store, retrieve, filter, and manipulate data efficiently. What is SQL? SQL, Structured Query Language, is a programming language used for managing and querying relational databases. Why is SQL important? Enables efficient data retrieval and manipulation. Used in data analysis, business intelligence, and software development. Works with large datasets that Excel cannot handle. Common uses of SQL. Extracting customer data from a database. Filtering sales records for a specific period. Sorting and aggregating large datasets. SQL is essential for data analysts who work with structured data stored in databases. Understanding relational databases. A relational database stores data in tables with predefined relationships. Each table consists of rows, records, and columns, fields. Popular relational database management systems, DBMS. MySQL, open source, widely used for web applications. PostgreSQL, advanced, supports complex queries and analytics. SQL Server, developed by Microsoft, commonly used in enterprises. Key database concepts. Tables, organize data into structured rows and columns. Primary key, a unique identifier for each record in a table. Foreign key, a reference to a primary key in another table to establish relationships. Relational databases organize and store data efficiently, making it easier to retrieve and analyze information. Writing basic SQL queries. A query is a request to retrieve or manipulate data. The most fundamental SQL queries include: select statement, retrieves data from a table. Select asterisk from employees. Returns all columns from the employees table. Where clause filters data based on conditions. Select asterisk from employees where department equals sales. Retrieves employees who work in sales. Order by clause sorts query results. Select name, salary from employees order by salary desk. Retrieves names and salaries sorted from highest to lowest. Basic SQL queries allow analysts to retrieve and analyze specific datasets efficiently. Filtering and sorting data. Filtering data with operators. Equal to. Greater than. Less than. Not equal to. Between, finds values within a range. Like, finds text patterns. Example, retrieve employees earning between $50,000 and $80,000. Select asterisk from employees where salary between $50,000 and $80,000. Sorting data with order by. ASC, ascending order, default. Desk, descending order. Example, retrieve products sorted by price from highest to lowest. Select asterisk from products order by price desk. Filtering and sorting data helps in refining search results and making reports more insightful. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.